As I've gotten older, I've started to sound more and more like my old man. I mean, just the other day I was car shopping and I caught myself saying, you know, all I need is a reliable manual window and I guarantee that'll outlast any fancy power window on the road. Well, silly me, because the Harwin Flecto floating connectors have proven me wrong. These floating connectors offer movement in all 3 axes for board-to-board connection, along with added location tolerance of plus or minus 0.8 millimeters from centerline, ensuring proper alignment across multiple connectors, resulting in reduced stresses from misalignment and maintaining the contact force over time. Mated heights up to 29.9 millimeters and symmetrical double row layouts of up to 160 gold finish contacts with high temperature LCP housing provides a flexible and durable solution for electric vehicles and factory automation.